We'll guide you through how to use Zapier MCP to streamline your workflow. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Zapier website. Log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you need to navigate to the My Zaps section, which you can find in the top menu. Click on Create Zap to start automating your tasks. You'll see a Trigger App search bar, where you can choose an app that will start your automation. For example, select Gmail if you want to trigger an action every time you receive an email. After selecting your trigger app, you need to specify the trigger event. This could be something like New Email or New Labeled Email. Click Continue and follow the prompts to connect your account if you haven't done so. Once your trigger is set up, it's time to configure the action. You can choose from a variety of apps like Slack, Trello, or Google Sheets, depending on what you want to happen after the trigger event occurs. Select the Action app, then choose an action event. For instance, you might want to create a new row in Google Sheets or send a message in Slack. Connect your Action app account and fill in the required fields. Zapier will guide you through testing the Zap to make sure everything works correctly. If the test is successful, click Turn on Zap to activate your automation. You'll see your new Zap listed in the My Zaps section, and it will start running automatically based on your trigger conditions. This process helps you automate repetitive tasks, saving you time and reducing errors. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.